going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, the books are mandatory, so therefore you learn how the world really works. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love. Keep it coming. Now, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. As we can see, the markets are down. Crypto is down. Stocks are down. Gold, silver is down. But what's strong right now? That's right, guys, the dollar. With all this money printing, the dollar right now is strong. And who do we have testifying today? That's right, the two chess pieces, guys. We have Jerome Powell and Janet Yellen. Remember, guys, we keep our eye on Janet Yellen, because she is the major chess piece. Don't forget, what does she wear? The purple with the pearls. And those who know. Now, guys, when we look at this week, remember I told you it's going to be a volatile week. I told you we was going to dump. But this is actually a good thing in the crypto market. So, therefore, we don't take a really, really big hit this weekend coming up. And then, guys, as we know, we start revving it back up on the actual 5th. So, guys, don't forget about the indicators. We have volume. We have tether. We have USDC. They're going to tell us which way the markets are going to be headed. Don't forget we have the Fed facilities closing on the 31st. But we also know the Fed increased the Fed repo by $50 billion per day. So that's $1.5 trillion. So they have plenty of money to manipulate the yields. Because as we see, when actual yields rise, we see stocks get hit, and we're definitely going to take a hit in cryptos. That's the reason why Powell gave that. Remember, everything that Powell says is written by the New World Order. That's why he reads off a script. He was told to say what he said yesterday. They're giving us that signal. But you know, guys, I've always stated this is all speculation. Yes, we have some use cases in this space. We know what the use cases are. But right now, people are trying to make money, and that's called speculation. They're not worried about the actual technology. Also, guys, we have Bitcoin and Ethereum futures. So, guys, we know all the exchanges, Binance, and then plus we have the master manipulator CME. So we definitely know that we're going to move lower. Now let's get over into some actual crypto news. It said, is the bull market in danger? And that answer is yes, because as we see, the Fed wants to shrink a little of this liquidity. And we know the reason why we pump, because they were printing all this money. They had to put it somewhere. And we know the printing was for a reason. The fourth industrial revolution. They need this money in order to build the fourth industrial revolution. Now, are more bills going to get passed? Yes, but it's not going to be this year. I don't see another bill being passed until next year. But they definitely need more money to keep building. Remember the builders, the Freemasons, guys. That's what this is all about. And then also, guys, short term, we know that Grayscale locked the actual trust, and that's keeping us squeezed up. So when they release that, and we know in June that lockup period ends. So I definitely see a big dump then. Same way when December and January came, we should have received a big dump, but they chose to freeze the Bitcoin and Ethereum trust. So guys, you have to pay attention to all the moving pieces. Now we have the Boston Fed and MIT to release the digital dollar prototype as soon as July. And guys, we also know what MIT is a New World Order school. They take the best and brightest minds to use them for evil. And we know, don't forget the open society. Now we have JP Morgan, Visa, Binance, Deutsche Bank, Morgan Stanley wants a piece of the Bitrue exchange. So guys, we know Asia is going to be a big piece of the fourth industrial revolution. Now we have Time Magazine seeks new CFO and qualifications that less comfort with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So guys, we definitely know it as the future. And what does the New World Order use in order to get the sheep moved over? That's right, media. That's how they took over the globe. Your television, your magazines, they have everything. Only 4 corporations own all of your media. Now we have the Brave browser to integrate pre-configured Binance Smart Chain DeFi wallet. And of course, guys, you can already do it manually, but this, of course, makes it a whole lot easier. And then lastly, guys, we have the new South Korean crypto rules will create a monopoly market with new crypto regulation, and this starts March 25th. And we know big bank takes little bank. We saw what Brian Brooks tried to do, tried to sneak in, but it didn't get passed. He wanted to take the small banks out. But of course, they had so many lawsuits, they couldn't get it passed. But definitely, guys, we see the New World Order moving. They only want these big banks, big corporations in charge. If you have my New World Order book, you know. And then also, guys, OKEX Korea users have weeks to withdraw their holdings before platform shuts down April 7th. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher, and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks, do not forget. You have your Cobalt, chip stocks, banking, gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, you got the at-home stocks of Xrp, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks. And y'all have a wonderful day.